Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about one of the type of computer memory, that is primary memory, which is also called as RAM. If you want to store any information in computer, then that information can be stored in memory of the computer. There are two types of computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called as main memory or volatile memory or temporary memory. Volatile means if the power is turned off, then we don't get the information from the memory. That means it holds the currently working data or instructions. Because of this reason, it is also called as temporary memory. Here the primary memory is made up of semiconductor material, so that this primary memory is also called as semiconductor memory. This semiconductor memory is divided into two types, RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. Random access memory is also called as volatile memory and read-only memory is also called as non-volatile memory. In this video, we will discuss about RAM. RAM. This is one of the most important component of computer, cell phone, tablet and other devices. Without RAM, doing something in your laptop or device is much slower, or even the applications in your device like Netflix, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. cannot be opened. RAM is considered a storage since it stores the data or information in your device temporarily. So RAM is used to read the data from the memory and writes the data into the memory. Even though RAM is storage, it is volatile memory. Now only we have discussed about this. Because of the volatile nature, RAM can hold only the current instructions. If the power is turned off or if the system crashes or if the system is restarted, we don't get this information from the memory. Also, it has the random access property. That means any file or data can be accessed randomly. Means we can directly access the files. There is no need to follow the sequential manner. There are two types of RAM, dynamic RAM and static RAM. Dynamic RAM. All dynamic RAMs are made up of memory cells, and memory cells are the combination of one transistor and one capacitor. Transistor means it is a semiconductor that controls voltage flow. That means it controls voltage fluctuations. That's why the primary memory is also called as semiconductor memory. And capacitor means it is an electronic device that is used to store energy in the form of an electric charge. Now we will see some of the characteristics of dynamic RAM. In capacitors, we store the information in the form of bits, zeros and ones, and these capacitors need to be refreshed every time with electricity. The capacitors do not hold a charge for a long time, so that the lifetime of the dynamic RAM is short. These are slow in speed and small in size, so that takes the less power consumption and also less expensive ones. Dynamic RAM's latency, or the time it takes to send the information, is around 100 nanosecond. Now 100 nanosecond is quite fast already. But for the modern CPU, the 100 nanosecond is too long. That's why another RAM is introduced, that is static RAM. Now we will discuss about static RAM. Static means constantly. In static RAM, we can retain the data as long as the power is being supplied. As the nature of volatile, the data cannot be retrieved when the power is turned off. Static RAM uses more chips for the same amount of storage space. It has 6 transistors and no capacitors. There is no need of capacitor for this static RAM. Some of the characteristics. Because of no capacitors, these transistors do not require any power to prevent leakage, so that static RAM need not to be refreshed regularly. Because of this reason, it has a long lifetime also. To make these, the manufacturing cost is high, so these are expensive ones. These are very large in size. Because of this reason, these take very high power consumption. And also it is used as a cache memory. Cache means temporary. Cache memory means temporary memory. If you use this cache memory, computer can access the data very fast than it is stored in hard drive. That means nearly 5 times faster than the motherboard, so that it improves the overall system speed. This is all about RAM. In this video, if you understand the concept, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.